So that's how our dataset actually looks like. Now we want to say drop a column. Okay, so let's say we want to drop country and states column here. So we say dataset, what's your dataset name, dot drop. And if there are multiple columns, then you can specify the list here. So the country and the states. And let's specify the x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is for columns. As you can see here, if you press the shift tab, this drop down will open up, which gives you the type of arguments you can actually specify in the method. So axis 0 is for rows and axis 1 is for columns. And by default in place is equal to false, so you have to specify in place equal to true. So that's how our dataset actually looks like after dropping the two columns.